Hello guys, how are you all? Today I'm back with one more amazing video of iMovies, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add music to your videos by using iMovies. You just need to follow some simple instructions. So before moving towards the video, it's request to all of you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First of all, you need to select the video in which you want to add a background music. As you can see in my case, let me select this video. Okay, now this is the video, and this video has already background music. But first of all, let me mute the music of this video. And after muting the video, you just need to press the plus option and you need to select the background music video, and I want to add the music of this specific video in my project. So you need to press on this video and press these three dots and press on audio only. So let's check it out. As you can see, this video has music, background music now. So these are the simple steps. You need to download the music by using recorder, and you can add any kind of music, non-copyrighted music, in your project by using these simple instruction and simple steps. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye. Thumbs up.